Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious lollipop drink. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need your favorite lollipops, a carbonated beverage like soda or sparkling water, and some ice. Make sure you have a sturdy glass and something to crush the lollipops with, like a muddler or the back of a spoon. Selecting a variety of lollipop flavors can add exciting layers to your custom creation. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fun, flavorful beverage. Now let's prepare the lollipops. Unwrap about 3 to 5 lollipops, depending on how strong you want the flavor. You can keep flavors separate or mix them for a unique blend. Place the unwrapped lollipops into a sturdy plastic bag and crush them into small pieces using a mallet or rolling pin. If you prefer a smoother syrup, dissolve the lollipops in a small amount of hot water, stirring until fully melted. This step is key to infusing your drink with that sweet, candy essence. With your lollipops ready, it's time to mix your drink. Spoon the crushed lollipop pieces or pour the lollipop syrup into your glass. Next, slowly add your chosen carbonated beverage. A good starting point is about 8 to 12 ounces of soda or sparkling water, but feel free to adjust to your taste. Stir the mixture gently but thoroughly until the lollipop flavor is well distributed throughout the drink. You'll see the color and sweetness begin to transform your beverage. Finally, add a few ice cubes to your glass and garnish with an extra lollipop for a fun presentation. Take a sip and adjust the sweetness if needed, perhaps by adding a little more soda or another crushed lollipop. This refreshing, colorful drink is perfect for any occasion, offering a unique twist on a classic treat. For those looking to keep their space tidy while enjoying these sweet concoctions, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade lollipop drink.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.